Hi, I'm Swetanshu Sahoo of class 6 studying in DPS Vilay. I have made a project. The project's name is calculator. It can apply various functions like addition, multiplication, subtraction, division. It can also find the power of some numbers given by the user to process. Now let me show you how the project runs. First, let us see how it performs the addition part. The result should be 307. Let's see what happens. It has shown 307 only. If you click the AC button, it will clear everything that is in the box which shows the result. Let's now see the subtraction part. So I have inputted 300 and 297. It shows 300 minus 297. The result should be 3. It has shown the result 3. I once again click the AC button which will clear everything that is in the result text box. Now I will show you how it performs the multiplication part. So I have inputted 300 multiplied 5. It should show 1500 as the result in the text box. It has shown 1500 in the text box. Now I am clearing that result. Now let's see how it divides. I have inputted 804 to get my desired result. So the result should be 200 and it shows 200 only. It also shows some factorial. So let's see. As soon as I entered x7 and x factorial, it showed the result of 7 factorial, which is 5040 only. It also shows the power. It also shows the square of a number. 8. I inputted 8 and wanted to have it square in the text box. 8